Hi, Mike from Conference Technologies. On today's episode of CTI-TIPS, we're going over the Yamaha Adecia family of audio products and how it's going to speed up your installation time. Let's get started. The Adecia family of products simplifies integration from the design to the install through to the commissioning. From the design perspective, one part number includes all components required for a functioning audio system: the network switch, audio signal processor, the array microphone, and the line array powered speakers. Install's a breeze. The only cables needed are standard network cabling. A single Cat5 connection per device thanks to PoE Power and Dante Audio for the microphone array, line array speakers, and signal processor. The array microphone sits in a round hole in a ceiling and mounts like most ceiling-mounted speakers. Configuration takes less than 3 minutes. Connect to the system using only a laptop, USB cable, and web browser. The system then auto-detects, auto-configures, auto-measures, and auto-optimizes the audio in the room. The Adecia audio processor features connectivity for USB, Bluetooth, AUX-IO, and SIP telephony. It also features an open API for use with third-party control systems. The Adecia ceiling mic with dynamic multi-beam tracking technology and human voice detection means there's no need to program individual lobes in the array, resulting in reduced time spent in the field. Let's now jump into a meeting using the Adecia audio platform as our USB audio device. Thanks for joining me on this audio test, Ken. Right now in our conference room, it's about 20 foot by 20 foot. We're going to test out the auto tracking ability of the array microphone by not only sitting here in this room, but standing up and walking all the way to the door and then continuing outside of the room into the hallway. Ken, as I stand out here, do you notice any difference in my audio?
Nope, sounds great. No change.
That's awesome. All thanks to the Yamaha Adecia ceiling microphone. Thanks for watching today's episode. We hope you like it. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. Please subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time.